view from my tent this morning. Glorious. Just one more view of my morning view out my window. It's so pretty. It's prettier outside, but it's really cold out there. Good morning. Before all the tourists come. It's early. Well, it's 8:15. Well, I left at 8:15. It's about 8:30 right now. Just been going steadily downhill. Watched the sunrise this morning there at Icewater Spring Shelter. Beautiful sunrise, and I couldn't capture it really. It's cold. There's frost on the ground, chunks of ice laying by my tent, but I don't think it froze. I think that was just frost. Maybe it did freeze, but my Sawyer's okay. I had it inside my tent with me. So anyway, going up to Charles Bunyan right now, if it doesn't look too long of a side trip, and I'll show you that. But before that, that's where all those people were going yesterday, to Charles Bunyan. It's supposedly some really nice views there, so it'd be nice, it'd be worth it. But I do have a long day today, so I'll have to see how long, because the trail is like this, which isn't bad. Just careful steps and some steep parts. One part back there, I had to come down backwards because it was so steep. But pretty much the way it was coming up. Just a lot of rocks and steps and a couple climbs, or, more zigzagging down across the rocks. See, like that. Whole areas like that. I mean, it's not bad. You just have to watch your step if you're me. But the glorious thing is the sun is shining this morning. And I'm already hot, and I didn't even have to put on my big puffy gloves. I got ready in stages. I started at 6 instead of 5. And left at 8:15. I don't think that's too bad. Just do a little bit, get warmed up. Do a little bit, get warmed up. Then once the sun comes up, you're good. So I noticed coming up today and the next 2 days are a lot of views. So this side definitely might be more scenic too than the other side. I'll give you my verdict when I'm done. Like, if you could only do one half of the Smokies, which half would it be? Good morning, mountains. Right now, I'm saying the northern half, but I'm not done yet. All indications point that way. Oh, even better view. I don't even have to step off the trail. There, and you get to see the view. Wow. Just wow. So after today, let's see, I have 13 miles today, and then 16 to finish. Really 17, because I'm going to walk to the parking lot. I think that's an extra mile, which I think that's where I started before. Now, I know that's where I started. I know I didn't start a mile in. All right, I'm going to plug away. Looks like we're kind of out of the rocky spots for a minute. A minute. Good morning, mountains. Wow. You can see a town way far off in the distance there. So as you're walking along the trail, this is your view. This has been my view off to the left. You can just see the mountains. The trail just is going right around this ridge. But right now I need both my eyes. Because to step the right place, that's a little bit of a down. There, that. You folks with bad knees or knees that might buckle if you put too much pressure on them, going down backwards like a ladder is slower, but it helps the knees and lessens the risk of a buckle and a fall. In the mornings, mine aren't locking correctly, so I have to baby them. Once they get warmed up, then they seem to be fine. But I would still go down backwards because I don't trust them. Once you've had one buckle in your life, you never want it to happen while you're going down a hill or taking a big step. I use trekking poles too. They are great. And even if you don't have that knee problem, they have saved me from falling so many times. I don't lock in. I don't put my hands through the loop because that to me is confining and looks like I could break my wrist. But being able to hang on and stabilize myself when I need to, like going down steep rocks with ginormous steps, that's what I like them for. And also just when you're walking, it takes a lot of pressure off the joints. I came from that way, and this is the trail, the Charles Bunyan Trail. Oh, wow. I'm assuming that's Charles Bunyan right there. I don't know. Very rocky and cliffy. It keeps going that way, but I think it might loop back around. I'm not sure, but I'm stopping here. Just the views. Yeah, because that looks like it goes down. Unless there's another knob over there, but this is all I have time for and I'm happy with it. Check it out. Look over the edge. Ah. Wow. Oh. Good morning, Shadow. Well, this is morning frappuccino break. It's my playing man. Nobody's here. It's a beautiful thing. It's bugging me that I think that it goes that way. Oh, that darn what's around the corner disease. So when I finish my frappuccino, I add a little water. And I'll do that a couple times, kind of rinse the bottle out. helps the smell. I tried putting NOBO in it to make it a little richer, but then it just smelled like a sour baby bottle. I didn't do that again. So there. Then your water's a little bit flavored. I know it looks disgusting, but it's not bad. Okay. Let's go before the tourists come. Okay, that little side trip took me 15 minutes off the track, and then my break was like 8 minutes. So not bad. It's just a few feet. Unless it goes on. That I don't know. It looked awful narrow. And with all the people I saw coming through, it just looked dangerous. But it might. If you know, comment. Let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to continue on to the next view. Today's mileage, like I said, it's around 13 miles. But I have 4,104 feet of climbs and 4,104 feet of descents. So I'll be ascending 4,104 and descending 4,104. I don't know if that's happened ever, but it's a rolling, a cumulative amount, but it is a lot. That's a busy day, but if it's gentle, it's not a problem. I averaged it out. It'd be like, a quick, in my head, I was like, oh, that's like 100 feet a mile, but it won't be like that, you know. It'll be 500 feet and a half a mile or something like that. I don't know. All right. So there's a trail right there, but it looks like it might have been a man-made trail. Another way, to get up, because I saw one back there where people have cut a trail through the woods to get to Charles Bunyan. But look at the sign, warning, climbing on rocks is hazardous. Stay on constructed trail. Climbing on rocks is hazardous. I think there's been a little bit of rock climbing along the Appalachian Trail over the course of my mini section hikes, mostly in the northern part. Sure felt hazardous anyway. Probably was a lot worse in my mind than it really was, but it wasn't like this, flat. Well, it's vertical. A lot of vertical. Oh, look at the Christmas tree right there. Oh, love it. I don't know what I'm looking at, but there's water out there in a town, and it's kind of southwest of where I am right now. This tree. Oh my God. Peace. This is the view to the east. You see nothing out there but mountains. This is my walk today. Mountains to the right of me, mountains to the left of me. Nice trail. I just came from that way, and there is your west view. I can't even take it all in. Evergreens everywhere. I can't make any forward motion because it's so pretty. But anyway, gotta keep going. Just had a little snack here at this lovely spot. I gotta stay bent down. All right, let's go. This afternoon's just been walking along this. I wanted to show you all the green moss everywhere. It's everywhere. It is so quiet. It's like the birds aren't chirping. It's just very weird. Still, very still. It's like nothing's about but me. I have no idea how far I am from the shelter right now. I would guess about 2 miles, but I don't know. I haven't been stopping. I've been steady since lunch. I had lunch. Views kind of ran out, so it's just been plodding along. Mostly uphill, I believe. I can't imagine how much more uphill there could possibly be. But, oh look, there's more. That's a gentle up. Not all of it has been, but most of it has been. Well, yeah. It's gentler now, let's just say that. And plus I'm tired. I got real cold back there. So I've been hiking my tank top. And the sun just went away. And then the wind kind of blew a little bit. And it's chilly today. It's in the 50s. So I put my button up on. I was still cold. So now I've got my rain jacket on. And I'm okay. Whew. I'll be glad to get to camp though. This is just like, I should have took some pictures back there. Up, 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 and then you round the corner, and it's up, up, up. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's a different view. If anything, it kind of breaks up the same old I've been seeing for a while, even though I love it. Maybe there's a view. Whew. It's just a little area here. See how cloudy it got? It's not supposed to rain. Maybe it's just the Smokies cloud, I don't know. I see the sun a little bit over here.